We feel that we are going to create trouble. This is a democratic expression of opinions. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service. But don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir,
you tell me what is katakalan? This is violent. Is this violent? Hey, kita kalau tutup penyidikan. Hey, kita kalau order.
Hari Friday, bawan honorable Home Minister. Kumakatuas Minister. Kami accused
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine. No. Kamdan cu bari, tapi pensul daerah. Paling ini darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Hari itu upor, because internet kan itu dijam. Friday itu bahasa orang masih actually belong plenary committee juga.
Kadang kabha belong kita.
Bagi kita toleran dengan represent wrong message.
Come there is the wrong message, the right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai bansu darab jad repair isurak tang perwan ke central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan.
So all those issues
we cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You are a
referencing countries. You can read the issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingin ko ajing kelumar, kako ajing kelumar ke sorkat. Bukan ko ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata, kami kampung duit. Kalau bimut banang bahkan kamskan kampu ke suk kan kam jai lebih song nang ni, minum kit nang ni. Dia boleh ngimlah apa ni? Bani kenduk dia officer pelafon dengan ongan dia kenduk. Dangan lai kenduk ong tu ngin saya keren dan ngin saya rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kenduk. Ngimlah ban rai. Ngimlah ban rai. What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand? Peaceful demonstration. Not with this. Okay, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. That if he so artian, he so tikna yung itap there, line up yung check yung iba-iba. Dia nakatanaw kondi kata ngala ada keren bala ki government kita government ini penting kita red deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That will happen, sir.
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask just give order to fire and lathi charge? That is what you are waiting for. We are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.